English questions and answers about daily life to help learners build vocabulary, speaking, and listening skills. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I turn off my alarm. Then I get out of bed slowly. I feel fresh and ready for the day. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I eat breakfast every morning. I usually have eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink juice or tea. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. What do you do after breakfast? After breakfast, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. I get dressed for the day. I feel clean and ready to go out. How do you go to school or work? I take the bus to school. It is about 20 minutes. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice. I enjoy looking around during the trip. What time do you start school or work? I start school at 8:30 in the morning. My first class is English. I like learning new things. The teacher is friendly and helpful. Do you take lunch from home? Yes, I bring lunch from home. My mother packs it for me. I usually eat rice and vegetables. It is healthy and tasty. What do you do in the evening? In the evening, I do my homework. I help my family with chores. Then I relax and watch TV. I enjoy the quiet time. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I change into my pajamas. Then I brush my teeth again. I feel sleepy and close my eyes. What do you eat for dinner? I eat dinner with my family. We sit at the table together. We talk and enjoy the food. My favorite dinner is chicken and rice. What do you wear in summer? I wear light clothes in summer. I wear shorts and a t-shirt. It is hot outside, so I wear sunglasses. I drink a lot of water, too. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook simple meals. I can make rice, eggs, and soup. Cooking is fun and relaxing. I enjoy learning new recipes. What do you do on the weekend? On the weekend, I rest at home. Sometimes I go out with friends. I clean my room and help my family. Weekends are fun and relaxing. Do you clean your room? Yes, I clean my room every week. I sweep the floor and dust the shelves. I put my things in order. A clean room makes me happy. What time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. I feel hungry by that time. I eat rice, meat, and vegetables. I enjoy eating with my friends or family. Do you drink coffee or tea? I drink tea in the morning. It helps me wake up. I like it with a little sugar. It makes me feel warm and calm. Do you watch TV every day? Yes, I watch TV in the evening. I like watching cartoons and shows. Sometimes I watch with my family. It helps me relax before bed. What do you do in your free time? I read books or play games in my free time. Sometimes I go for a walk. I also like listening to music. It makes me feel happy. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. I like the cheese and sauce. I eat it sometimes on weekends. It is very delicious. Do you like rainy days? Yes, I like rainy days. I stay inside and drink hot tea. I watch the rain from the window. It feels peaceful and quiet. What do you wear when it's cold? I wear a jacket and a scarf. I also wear warm shoes. Sometimes I wear gloves too. It helps me stay warm outside. Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals. My favorite animal is a dog. They are friendly and cute. I want to have a pet one day. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. It is calm and cool. I wear blue shirts often. It makes me feel happy. Do you go shopping often? I go shopping once a week. I buy food and things I need. Sometimes I buy clothes too. I enjoy looking at new things. Do you like to draw? Yes, I like to draw pictures. I draw animals, people, and trees. Drawing helps me feel calm. I keep my drawings in a notebook. What do you do before bed? Before bed, I brush my teeth. I wash my face and change clothes. Then I read or listen to music. I feel relaxed and sleepy. Do you have a mobile phone? Yes, I have a mobile phone. I use it to call my family. I also use it for messages and games. It helps me stay connected. What do you do in the morning? In the morning, I wake up and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast and get dressed. I pack my bag for school. I feel ready for the day. Do you eat fruits every day? Yes, I eat fruits every day. I like apples, bananas, and oranges. They are sweet and healthy. Fruits are good for my body. Do you have a best friend? Yes, I have a best friend. We talk and play together. We help each other with homework. My best friend is kind and funny. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is orange juice. It is sweet and fresh. I drink it in the morning. It gives me energy. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. I listen to it every day. It helps me feel happy and relaxed. My favorite kind is pop music. What do you do on your birthday? I celebrate with my family. We eat cake and play games. I get presents and cards. It is a special and fun day. Do you use a computer? Yes, I use a computer at school and at home. I use it for homework and games. Sometimes I watch videos too. It is very useful. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. It is sweet and juicy. I like to eat it cold. It tastes great in summer. Do you like to read books? Yes, I enjoy reading books. I read stories and picture books. Reading helps me learn new words. I read before bed sometimes. What do you wear to school? I wear my school uniform. It has a shirt and pants. I also wear shoes and socks. I try to keep it clean. Do you help your parents at home? Yes, I help my parents every day. I wash dishes and clean the table. Sometimes I help with cooking. Helping makes me feel good. Do you like to sing? Yes, I like singing songs. I sing when I am happy. I sing with friends too. It makes me smile. What is your favorite day of the week? My favorite day is Saturday. I don't have school. I can relax and play. It feels fun and free. Do you eat snacks? Yes, I eat snacks in the afternoon. I like cookies and fruit. I eat a little between meals. It gives me a small boost. Do you go to the park? Yes, I go to the park often. I walk, play, and sit on the grass. I see flowers and birds. The park is peaceful and fun. What do you do when you are sick? When I'm sick, I stay in bed. I drink warm water and take medicine. My parents take care of me. I rest until I feel better. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one sister. We play and talk every day. Sometimes we fight, but we love each other. She is my best friend at home. Do you like summer or winter? I like summer more. The days are long and sunny. I can go outside and play. I don't like cold weather. What do you do at school? At school, I study and learn new things. I read books and write in my notebook. I also talk with friends. School is fun and important. What do you see from your window? I see trees and cars from my window. Sometimes I see people walking. I like watching the sky. It looks different every day. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. I like to see new places and try new food. I take pictures and make memories. Traveling is exciting. What do you do on holidays? On holidays, I relax and have fun. I visit family or go to the beach. I eat special food and take a break. I feel happy and free. What do you wear to sleep? I wear pajamas to sleep. They are soft and comfortable. I also wear socks if it's cold. Pajamas help me sleep better. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. They are soft and quiet. I like how they move and play. I want a cat someday. Do you have a pet? No, I don't have a pet now, but I want one in the future. I like dogs and rabbits. They are friendly and fun. Do you like to dance? Yes, I enjoy dancing. I dance at home with music. It makes me happy and active. Sometimes I dance with my friends. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. The weather is warm and nice. Flowers start to grow. Everything looks fresh and new. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. I eat it on hot days. It is cold and sweet. Do you like to draw or paint? I like to draw more than paint. I use pencils and crayons. I draw animals and people. Drawing helps me relax. What do you do when it rains? When it rains, I stay inside. I read books or watch movies. Sometimes I drink hot tea. I like the sound of rain. Do you eat outside sometimes? Yes, I eat outside on weekends. I go to a restaurant with my family. We try new food. It is a fun time together. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I wear glasses. They help me see better. I wear them every day. I take good care of them. What do you do when you're sad? When I'm sad, I talk to someone I trust. Sometimes I listen to music. I also try to rest and think. Talking helps me feel better. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, I enjoy learning English. It helps me talk to more people. I learn new words every day. I feel proud of my progress.